So we are on our boat, as you can see. Here's the baby. Anyways, so last storm, the 10th heat wave, those boards, they fell out, so this is a new board I'm putting in. Jetta just installed this one in. And of course we're gonna sand it and put some protective covering on it so it looks fancy. But here's my honey down there. Honey, say hi.
Hi, hi.
All hard at work, and we are moving along. Bye guys. And yes, sign up to become a member of New Atlantean Society so we can build New Atlantis together. Love you all. Peace.